Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to buy stocks in Thinkorswim. First, open the Thinkorswim platform and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Trade tab at the top. This is your central hub for all trading activities. Then, use the search bar to find the specific stock ticker you wish to trade. For example, type OPL for Apple or MSFT for Microsoft. After selecting your stock, click the Buy button to open the order entry tool. Here, you'll choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum purchase price. You can also use a stop order to manage risk. Next, specify the number of shares you intend to purchase, perhaps 10 shares or 100 shares. Before placing your order, carefully review all the details. Check the price, the quantity of shares, and the estimated total cost. You'll also need to select the time in force for your order. A day order expires at the end of the trading day, while good till canceled remains active until filled or manually canceled. Once everything looks correct, confirm your order to send it to the market. After placing your order, you can monitor its status and your new position under the Monitor tab. Here, you'll see if your order has been filled and how your purchased stock is performing in real time. You can also modify or cancel any open orders if your trading strategy changes. This tab provides a comprehensive overview of all your current investments.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.